Something very strange is happening behind the scenes at Apple, and it could seriously mess with the iPhone 18 Pro launch. Apple is getting closer and closer to unveiling its next generation iPhones, with the iPhone 18 Pro models expected to arrive next month and an official launch announcement potentially coming before the end of August. But while most of the attention is going toward the new cameras, the A20 Pro chip, and Apple's other major upgrades, Apple may have a much bigger problem to deal with first. And surprisingly, it has nothing to do with the design. It's memory. According to semiconductor analyst Tim Colpin, the ongoing shortage of memory chips is beginning to put pressure on Apple's production plans. And this apparently isn't just a minor supply chain issue. Apple has reportedly already produced around $1 billion worth of unpackaged processors. But there's a major catch. Those processors can't actually become finished iPhones until the required memory components are available. That's why Apple and its manufacturing partners are reportedly scrambling to secure enough DRAM memory for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, as well as Apple's highly anticipated foldable iPhone. Now, there is some good news. Apple is reportedly expected to have enough units prepared to handle the initial launch demand for both devices. But the real problem could begin after that first wave of phones is sold. If Apple can't secure enough memory chips quickly, supply could become extremely tight. That could mean longer delivery times for online orders, while Apple stores and other retailers could sell out much faster than expected. And here's where things get even more interesting. The iPhone 18 Pro models are expected to feature Apple's next generation A20 Pro chip, which is reportedly being manufactured using TSMC's advanced 2nm process. TSMC has already started mass production of these chips, so you'd expect the processor side of Apple's supply chain to be completely under control. Apparently, it isn't that simple. So if memory supplies remain limited, the entire manufacturing process could start backing up. And honestly, this could become a serious problem for anyone planning to upgrade to the iPhone 18 Pro this year, because supply shortages can create another problem that nobody wants to hear about: higher prices. Apple CEO Tim Cook has already acknowledged that the company is dealing with significant supply chain constraints. During Apple's latest earnings call, Cook said the company was facing major constraints with limited flexibility across the supply chain. So naturally, the big question is, what happens to the iPhone? If memory prices continue climbing while supplies remain limited, Apple could eventually pass some of those additional costs onto customers. That means the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could potentially end up costing more than expected. And the same concern could apply to Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone. So from the outside, Apple's biggest challenge this year might look like a completely redesigned camera system, a new chip, or even an entirely new iPhone design. But behind the scenes, the biggest problem could be something far less exciting: having enough memory chips to actually build the phones. And with the iPhone 18 launch getting closer, we won't have to wait much longer to find out whether this is just a temporary supply issue or a problem that could seriously affect Apple's biggest iPhone launch yet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Phone Pulse for more Apple and smartphone news. And don't forget to click on the video on screen to watch my latest video about the Samsung Galaxy Trifold 2. I'll see you in the next one.